I'm Priscilla, and I'm with the Back to School crew. I'm here to tell you all about the Freshman Academy. First, I'd like to introduce you to our awesome principals, Principal Anna Davis and the assistant principals Kevin Floyd and Lisa York. The Freshman Academy is home to about 800 students and dedicated just to 9th graders. CFA's motto is "Graduation starts here." Now with some helpful information as we prepare to kick off the school year. Schedules for traditional as well as digital students will be released online via the Home Access Center, or HAC, on Thursday, August 13th. If you have forgotten your password, call the school. If you need to make a scheduled change, you must make an appointment with one of the counselors. Open house for all students is Thursday, August 20th. More information on specific details will be shared by your school. Be sure to also check our district website and social media. Also new this year, every student, whether they attend in classroom or digitally, will be assigned a Chromebook. Chromebooks will be distributed at open house and the first week of school. If you borrowed one, bring it to open house and exchange it for your assigned device. If you owe a fine, you can also take care of it at open house. And there's some great news. Breakfast is once again free to all students. Also, don't forget to check out the supply list on the CFA website. Now, this is an important reminder about the first 2 days of school. This includes Cabot Panther Digital Academy students. Only students whose last names begin with A through K will attend or log in on Monday, August 24th. Only students whose last names begin with L through Z will attend or log in Tuesday, August 25th. The first day of school for all students is Wednesday, August 26th. And one last thing, if you have a new K through 12 student and haven't registered yet, click on student registration at the top of the district website. For more information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363. Graduation starts here, and the Cabot Freshman Academy is looking forward to another great school year.